Nothing beats a dog's love.
As the yellow bus pulled to a stop, a dog could be seen waiting eagerly. He slowly walked closer, then sat down wagging his tail. I knew right then that the happiest moment was just moments away. The faster his tail wagged, the clearer it became that the person he'd been waiting for had finally arrived. When that familiar figure stepped off the bus, the dog's excitement overflowed. He bounded forward, leaping joyfully, and wrapped his beloved child in a warm, furry hug.